Hey y'all, hey, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing good. Y'all, we got a recipe today that's so quick and easy. Your little bitty granddaughter, your little bitty grandson, your little bitty kid, whoever little can do this recipe, okay? Y'all see it. I'm finna show y'all how to make Jiffy Cornbread. Somebody out there may not know how to make Jiffy Cornbread, so you know what? Why not let Riri show y'all, okay? And we're gonna add a little stuff to it, so let's get started with making Jiffy Cornbread, okay? Okay, so we got the package here. Now, I'm making this directly from the package, okay? So it says to add 1 package of Jiffy Cornbread mix into the bowl. Yes, we are. We're going to do exactly what it tells us to do, okay? And then we're going to use our little whisk because you see them little clumps in there? We ain't trying to do no clumpy going. 1/3 cup of milk. So we're going to go ahead and add our milk, 1/3 cup. And you want to do it exactly what they tell you to do. Don't be trying to add 1 extra cup of milk and all that stuff. Don't do that. The next thing it says to add 1 egg. So we're going to add in 1 egg like they told us to do. Okay? So that's going to be that. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to stir all ingredients together. Alright y'all. So now the box says for maximum crown on the muffins or batter, let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay? That means just let this sit here for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then, you know, you're ready for the next step. So on my step, I'm adding in some habanero cheese because I like cheesy bread. Now y'all may not like it. Don't worry, that little black stuff, that's just a piece of from the habanero pepper. So that ain't no bug or nothing, just so y'all know. Alright, so I'm going in. I'm just going to mix this up and then I'm going to let it rest and then I'm going to show y'all what we're going to do next, okay? Say something, because I feel like I need to say this because I know how us Southerners can get when you see somebody bring some box cornbread to the party, to the family reunion, to the Thanksgiving dinner. Listen, this ain't one of these. This is just for me in my house, okay? And this is just showing how to make it because there's so many videos out there that, you know, you may think it's the simplest thing, but somebody may not know how to do it, you know? So I'm just doing this to get it out there to help the people, that's all. Now, now with your batter, you want to make sure you're scrubbing the bottom of the bowl because the cornmeal can be sitting in the bottom. So you don't want that. You want to make sure it's all incorporated, just so you know. Once you get it all mixed in and you have let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to go ahead and, you know, get your bowl or your loaf pan or your muffin cups, whatever you're putting it in, and you want to go ahead and pour your batter over in your dish. Now, I've already sprayed my glass dish with some pan cooking spray. You can also put some olive oil in the pan. You can put whatever non-sticking agent you want, but that's just what I'm using, pan cooking spray, okay? So I want to make sure I get all my batter out of here because that's what the recipe called for. All of this scraping, yeah, that goes in the batter. See, look how much time I put up. Now, then you be wondering why the bread didn't do good because you didn't get all the stuff out, okay? So get all the stuff out. Y'all know that ain't got no sense. Now, it says to fill your muffin pans or your baking dish, and you're going to bake this for 15-20 minutes or until it get golden brown, okay? So we're going to go to the oven, and y'all, don't forget, you got to have your timer, okay? Go ahead and set it for 15 to 20 minutes. So maybe you want to go ahead and start off with 15 minutes, and then just check it because everybody's oven is not the same. So I'll bring y'all back when we get done with the bread. Alright, so our cornbread, our Jiffy cornbread, let me say, is done. And I have 1 tablespoon of butter left in my little container. And that was just enough for our little Jiffy cornbread here. So now, we're just going to let that melt. And it's going to be, oh my God, so good. Y'all, see, listen, I'm one of them Southern girls. I'm not too good to eat Jiffy cornbread. I know how to make cornbread and I am going to do a recipe on that. But I wanted to do this one because I do it how I want to do it in my kitchen. So you all do it how you want to do it when you are cooking, but everybody don't know how to make homemade cornbread. So that's why companies like Jiffy is still out here and people are buying it because they're still in business. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut this just so y'all can see that it is done, and I'm gonna cut it kind of like in a diamond. My daddy used to make the best cornbread when we was little kids. Oh my God. You know what? I wanted to cut a little bitty piece. I don't want a big piece. I just want to show y'all. Look at that. You can see that cheese going all through there. Oh God, let me taste this. Like, I don't know why y'all be tripping on Jiffy, because Jiffy is some good stuff, okay? And with that cheese in there, it set it off, okay? I'm just telling you, it set it off. So, I thank y'all for hanging with me tonight. I hope y'all cook something good for y'all family or for yourself. Be safe. I appreciate y'all showing love to the channel. I will see y'all in the next video.